Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to explain you a sum based on mode. For that, first we have to understand the terms of the formula. So let us check it out. The formula for mode is L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So L is equals to the lower boundary of the model class. We will be choosing the model class from the given data, and from there we will be obtaining all these values. So h is the size of the model class interval, and f1 is the frequency of the model class, f0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, f2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So let us do. So here the question is, a survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in a household. So find the mode of this data. They have given us the class intervals and the frequency. Now let us go and find the mode of this given data. Friends, I have copied the same question here vertically. So first, for finding the mode of the given data, it is very important to choose the model class. So based on what we will be choosing the model class is a big question for everyone. So if you observe keenly, we have to choose the highest frequency. That is, here the highest frequency is 8, right? So the model class of this given data will be 3 to 5 class intervals. Okay, so this will be our model class. So based on the highest frequency, we have to find the model class. So now the formula for mode is L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Okay, so now we have to find all the values of these terms from the given data. So what will be the L? L is the lower boundary of the model class. Now the model class we found is this, and the lower boundary is 3. Okay, so lower boundary of model class is 3. Okay, next the f1 is frequency of the model class, which will be equal to 8. Next f0 is frequency f0 is frequency preceding the model class, which will be equal to 7. Okay, so next f2 will be equal to frequency succeeding the model class, which will be equal to 2. Next h is the height of the model class interval, which will be equal to, so when you subtract 5 minus 3, the height will be 2. Okay, so don't think that writing all these values is waste of time. It is very important. You will get marks based on this theory as well. Okay, also it will help you for practicing, and it will help you to remember all the values. Okay, so we have to just substitute all these values into the given formula. So L, what is the L? That is the lower boundary we found is 3, right? So 3 plus f1 is 8 minus f0 is 7 by 2f1, in the sense multiplying 2 into f1. f1 is 8 minus f0 is 7 minus f2 is 2 into height is 2. Now on simplification, you get the value as 8 minus 7 is 1 by 8 2s are 16 minus 9 into 2. Fine. So you get the answer as 3. 2 ones are 2 by 7. That is 3 into 2 by 7. Therefore, the mode of the given data will be equal to 3.286. Fine. Therefore, mode will be equal to 3.286. So friends, in this way we have to first write all the values of all the terms of the formula, and then we have to substitute them in this way into the formula. Okay, it is very easy, but you have to focus. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get my latest updates. Thank you for watching.